Hello traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the Awesome Oscillator with the Relative Strength Index. Alright, so we're going to begin by adding both indicators to the charts. Okay, here we go. So the Awesome Oscillator and the Relative Strength Index are both momentum indicators, but they analyze price movement in different ways. All right. The Awesome Oscillator measures the difference between two moving averages based on the median price of each period. All right. It is displayed as a histogram that fluctuates above and below a central zero line, as you can see here, right? Traders often use the Awesome Oscillator to identify momentum shifts, by watching changes in the histogram bars or crossovers above and below the zero line. All right, you will also notice that when the bars are green, it shows bullish momentum. When the bars are red, it shows bearish momentum. Okay, so red bars appearing above the zero level might just be pullback. Blue bars appearing below the zero level might just be pullbacks as well. Okay, now the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, measures the speed and the magnitude of price changes over a selected number of periods, of course, which you can modify. All right, and it produces a value between 0 and 100, as you can see here, making it easy to identify overbought and oversold conditions. Readings above 70 are often interpreted as overbought, while readings below 30 may suggest oversold conditions. The main difference is that the Awesome Oscillator focuses on momentum relative to moving averages, right? While the RSI focuses on the balance between recent gains and losses. So both indicators are used to analyze momentum, but they highlight different aspects of price behavior. Okay, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.